May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Vaishya. He will be appearing virtually, Your Lordship, and praying for
which item?
praying for a listing of unlisted matter, Your Lordship.
So for listing, why you are appearing virtually? You can submit.
No, I am submitting for listing of unlisted matter today, Your Lordship.
Today, in my court, it may not be possible.
Okay, Your Lordship.
If you agree to it be listed before any other bench, then it's okay. Otherwise, in Monday, because Justice Surana will be here.
Okay.
On Monday, so let it be on Monday. Otherwise,
if possible today.
Today is not possible.
Any other bench, Your Lordship.
Other benches are also most probably there are a lot many matters have been fixed in other benches.
Okay.
So let it be on Monday only.
Okay.
He may be appear.
Am I allowed to pray before that bench, Your Lordship?
No, by the rule, I mean, as a protocol, you cannot.
Yes.
And that is one other issue.
Yes.
Otherwise, as in my bench numbers are less, so I'll be posted not many cases in those two
Other
benches.
Yes.
So let it be on Monday.
Yes.
On virtual mode also, he can submit, no issue at all.
Okay.
So let it be on Monday.
So, Your Lordship, I may take instruction here, or either Monday is possible or not, Your Lordship. So accordingly, I have filed already, and
Okay,
accordingly
Monday,
I'll pursue
for
the
him
registry.
may not be possible.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll pursue the registry, Your Lordship, as per.
Now see, the question is that if it is supposed listed on Monday also,
Yes.
as per the convenience of the council,
Yes.
you may link with the
Virtually.
virtual. He may link with virtually, and then some accommodation if you require, then you can talk to the court master also. It's okay. If it is suppose Monday is not possible, make it on Tuesday. Just you take the instruction and to me.
Okay. Oblige.
Okay.
My Lord, with the consent of the other party, I beg to mention unlisted matter, two unlisted matter.
The same thing.
Yes, my Lord. It may list on Monday. Yes.
Monday then.
Yes, my Lord.
Two
Yes.
matters are there.
Yes.
One is
Both are repetition, my Lord.
both are
Yes. I'll submit this one. Mention
Monday it will be listed.
Yes,
Monday.
Masulai.
No, Monday listing will be Monday only. I have allowed the mention. Okay. No, that is not the question. It may be listed. It's a contempt.
Yes. My Lord, this contempt is in pursuant to the order passed by this Honorable Court in WPC number 223. And then, my Lord, operating portion of this order is, my Lord, reflect in page number 12, my Lord. Page number 12, para 6, my Lord.
Page 12, para 6.
Accordingly, it is hereby directed that the representation filed by the petitioner before the Director of Elementary Education be forwarded within 1 week to the office of the Commissioner of Education, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. The Commissioner of Education will be thereafter look into the grievances of the petitioner and pass an appropriate order within the 4 weeks thereafter. And the order directed to be shown pass must be speaking order, and the copies of this order shall be served to the petitioner, and accordingly that was disposed of. Now, my Lord, in consequence,
So your representation is still pending.
Yes, it's still pending, and that has not been taken up by the contender, and that is the commissioner. So this is the let the notice be issued, ma'am.
Contemptor is
Commissioner.
only one, na?
Yes, one.
So he was the commissioner.
Commissioner.
He's the commissioner.
Yes, as per direction of the Honorable Court, he is supposed to
Still
take up.
now, still in that post, he's holding.
Yes, he is in that post.
I heard Mr. C. Modi, the learned counsel for the contempt petitioner. And full stop. This is an application under Section 12 of the Contempt of Court Act 1971, read with Article 215 of the Constitution of India and Rule of Contempt Court, Guwahati High Court Rules 1977. Against the order, also alleging that the order passed by this court on 3/9/2025 in WPC 423/AP/2025 filed by the petitioner is not uh, so filed by so and so is willfully disobeyed by the contempt petitioner, and the representation filed by the petitioner is still pending without disposal, still pending for disposal. Let the notice be issued to the contemner, respondent contemner, to registered AD and as usual process. Release the matter after 2 weeks.
My lord.
Release the matter after 2 weeks as on a date.
All right.
Item number 2.
My lord, I come up with this writ petition with limited prayer to dispose of my representation dated 18 November 2024, filed before the Deputy Commissioner, Kurung Kume District, Koloreng. My lord, well, the fact of the case is, my lord, I was initially appointed as a LDC in the year 2006, my lord. And during my service period, my lord, I was further appointed as a
You were appointed or just you were asked to take in charge of
in charge, look after. My lord, there's
look
under
after?
Yes, because no regular DTO is there, and under that there's a reservation under Section 33 of Person with Disability Act 1995. Madam. In view of those provisions, my lord, I was given the by order dated 15 September 2015, my lord. I was allowed to take a look after the charge of the DTO of the Kurung Kume district, my lord.
Mhm.
In the meantime, my lord, I was placed under deemed suspension in connection with certain ways. I was arrested in other cases, although not involved. But later on, detailed inquiry was conducted by the department. And later on, in the inquiry committee, it was found that there's no any incriminating material against me. Accordingly, as per the departmental inquiry, my lord, matter was placed before the board, and the board had examined and recommended for revocation of my suspension against substantive post of LDC, my lord. And accordingly, on 5th September 2022, my suspension order was revoked by the ADC Nyapin, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, as per recommendation, thereafter, my lord, after revocation of my suspension order, my lord, I submitted my representation before the Deputy Commissioner, Kurung Kume District, dated 18
Your
11,
representation
yes.
is dated?
18/11/2024,
Mm.
praying for allowing me to take charge as a DTO in charge in terms of the government order, my lord. Because under Section 32 is clear, in terms of Section 33, I was allowed, and this is the order of the government, Commissioner Transport. Now, Deputy Commissioner being subordinate to the Commissioner, my lord, it's the reaction on part of the Deputy Commissioner is found to be insubordinate also, my lord. And because as per government order, I'm always duty bound to obey the government order, because the government order has not yet been cancelled, my lord. That 15th September 2015, my lord, at annexure page 18, my lord. This order still stands, my lord. And officially, my lord, I'm the in charge, my lord. Although in fact, I have not been allowed, my lord, at the ground level, but officially anything happened, I'm responsible, my lord. That's why I'm bound to comply the court that government order.
But while discharging as a in charge of for
Yes, ma'am.
whether your pay scale, salary.
No, my lord, no. Only,
I'll assume.
nothing. All they see, because that was reserved for the PWD quota, my lord, as per government, my lord. And I'm equally qualified for the appointment, graduated, having graduate, my lord. That's why the government having considered my caliber, I've been appointed, my lord. Only my grievances, my lord, since it is matters pending before the Deputy Commissioner, my lord, let this representation at page 23 be disposed of, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, what that Deputy Commissioner, with reason or that can be disposed of. Thereafter, if anything there, my lord, the petitioner would be at liberty to approach, my lord. Because without disposing that matter, we can the petitioner cannot pursue the other, my lord, what is possible, my lord, other procedure, my lord. That's why, my lord. It's my only this limited prayer, my lord. May dispose of this representation, directing the respondent number 2 to consider and dispose of my representation dated 18/11/2024 within limited time bound period, my lord. Giving time bound period.
You want to dispose this,
Yes, my lord. Only after.
pardon?
My lord, only after disposal, only my lord will come to know why this thing that has not been, government order has not been complied with by the deputy commissioner.
Heard Mr. T. Tagum, the learned counsel for the petitioner. This is an application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, praying for a writ in nature of mandamus and certiorari and oblique or any other appropriate writ, orders or directions of like nature. It is submitted by Mr. Tagum that the present petitioner was appointed as an LDC initially. Initially
Initially LDC in the year 2006, my lord.
an LDC. LDC in the year
2006, my lord.
2006 in the Department of,
My lord, under government or Arunachal Pradesh, my lord.
no, Department is
Department, my lord, it's
this under
this district, my lord.
the department in the under the Deputy Commissioner in Kurunkamed district,
Yes, ma'am.
Government of Arunachal Pradesh. And since then, he was discharging his duty sincerely. And
Thereafter, while
and
he was in
thereafter
service.
by government order number TPT
Yes, ma'am.
bracket dot B 98/08/2015 dated 15/9/2015 issued by the Commissioner bracket of Transport, Government of AP. The present petitioner was allowed to look after and in charge of DTO of Kurunkamed district on functional basis till posting of regular DTO in the said district. However, and accordingly, he was also discharging his duty discharging his duty as a DTO, so and so, Kurunkamed district, in charge DTO of Kurunkamed district. But while discharging his duty as a DTO, there was an your case was on
On 26 February 2022, I was placed under deemed suspension.
2022.
Yes, my lord.
The petitioner was placed under suspension
Against the LDC post, my lord. Substantive post of LDC. Against
against the substantive post of LDC,
LDC.
as he was arrested and detained by the Naharlagun police in connection with Naharlagun PS case number 12/2022 under section 379, 471, 120B by 34 IPC. But subsequently, and there was also a departmental inquiry against the present petitioner. But after the detailed inquiry after the detailed departmental inquiry, it was reported by the chairman of the committee that there is no any incriminating materials against the present petitioner, nor there was any wrongful loss of the government exchequer on account of conduct of the petitioner as DTO in charge. And thereafter, inquiry report you have submitted here,
Yes, my lord.
report of inquiry.
Next, my lord. Inquiry report, page 21, my lord.
21.
And recommendation of board is 22, my lord. Page 20, my lord, type
Which has
copy.
already been annexed along with the present petition. After the submission of the inquiry report, by the office order dated 15/9/2022. The present petitioner was the additional deputy commissioner.
Mal-
Revoke, na?
Yes,
Order
revoke,
was-
my lord.
Revoke the order of suspension with immediate effect, without prejudice, with the immediate effect and immediate effect. But after the said order of the additional deputy commissioner, uh, deputy commissioner and the recommendation of the
Board.
board dated 23/8/2022.
My lord, this, the inquiry
Thereafter, the order was issued on
issued on, my lord.
5/9/2022.
Yes, my lord. On this,
5/9/2022.
on 5/9/2022, my lord, that the report of the committee
Directed.
department inquiry was placed before the board, my lord.
Uh-huh.
Board before at page 21, and board recommend for revocation of the suspension order.
No, that is there, and thereafter.
Thereafter, my lord, at page 22, my lord,
office order
formal,
was issued.
yes, formal order of
And
revocation was issued.
thereafter, the formal order was issued and but the order, office order of that 5/9/2022, we were directed to join as a LDC, na?
Yes, LDC. But my earlier order is from government order, my lord. That has not been disturbed by either by the deputy commissioner, ADC, or a government, my lord. It still is enforced, my lord. That's why once my substantive post is, my lord, is 10, my lord, it's revoked, my lord. The suspension is revoked automatically since the earlier order, 15 September 2015 order is stands, my lord, because it has not been modified. That's why, my lord.
And but consequently, the petitioner has been directed to join in his duty as a LDC under the establishment of ADC, NYAPIN, NYAPIN, with immediate effect. Full stop. Further, Mr. Tagum submitted that, but the earlier government order is still in force, whereby he was asked to discharge his duty as a in-charge DTO, and which is it was a substantive post, na?
Yes, my lord.
And then discharge so and so. Thereafter, the petitioner had approached the concerned authority with his representation on 18/11/2024 to consider his prayer and to that to direct him to join as a
Allow him to join.
to allow him to join as a DTO in the said department. But his representation is still lying in the office of the ADC, na?
Yes,
Office of
deputy commissioner, my
Deputy
lord.
Commissioner, Office of
Kolo-
Deputy Commissioner,
Kurungkume
and
district,
which
Colorado.
is not yet considered. Full stop. In next para, in view of this, Mr. Tagum, the learned counsel for the petition, submitted that he, with the limited prayer, the present present writ petition has been filed with a limited prayer for a direction to the Deputy Commissioner for consideration of his representation dated 18/11/2024. Next part, considering the entire facts and circumstances of this case, without going into the other aspects of the case, the respondent
Number 2, my lord.
2,
Deputy Commissioner, Kurungkume
Uh,
district.
the Deputy Commissioner, Kurungkame District, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, is hereby directed to dispose of the representation filed by the petitioner on 18/11/2024 within 2 months, will do?
Within one month, my lord. 30 days will do.
1 month, within 1 month. Oh, you
And-
are representing, na?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh, sorry. Within 1 month.
And I may be allowed to, my lord, submit along with the writ petition for reference, my lord, to the authority.
Copy of order.
Yeah, this writ petition, liberty, my lord. I may be allowed to submit along with the writ petition with the CTC copy, my lord.
No, do not follow.
My lord, along with, since the annexure is also annexed, my lord, in the writ petition, I may be allowed to submit the writ petition also, my lord, for the perusal of.
How? In the entire writ petition, you want to
My lord, that's all right, my lord.
Certificate
No,
copies
not-
and all.
That's all right, my
That
lord.
must
All right.
serve and
That's
take the copy of order.
my lord. That
You are MS R Basar.
Yes, Lordship.
R Basar to লিখি দিব, learned government advocate appealing for Surenchi. Okay, with this observation. One then.
Lord,
Consider the application.
yes, yes.
Or pass, dispose of the, and I'm not saying, that's why I'm not saying you consider.
Yes.
Dispose of the.
this way, that way,
application
my lord.
and
Yes,
then-
my lord.
That will clear the entire.
Yes, yes, adequate.
Deeply obliged.
the pocket.
Item number 3,
My lord, matter pertaining to the transport
My lord.
and step to the private respondent already taken, but they were waiting for my lord response from the respondent.
My lord, I may be granted.
You are respondent number?
My lord, I'm representing
For
the,
1, 2, and 3.
my lord,
Yes,
1, 2,
And who
Government.
is 4? 4 is
4 is private.
private.
Yes, step is
He's
already
still awaited, I think. No?
awaited.
And you have filed your affidavit?
my lord, I have not yet, my lord. I have not received the Perawat's comment from department, my lord.
Okay.
So I may be granted, my lord, further 3 weeks' time, my lord, to obtain instruction from the department for filing counter affidavit.
Acha. Heard Mr. C. Modi, the learned counsel for the petition, also heard Mr. T. Takun, the learned
Standing
Standing
counsel.
Counsel, Education Department, appearing for the respond number 1, 2, and 3. Post of Office note dated 6/11/2025 speaks that the service is still awaited for the respond number 4. In the full stop. Furtherly, Mr. Tagum, the counsel for the learned counsel for the respond number 1, 2, and 3 submitted that he needs further 3 weeks' time to file their affidavit in opposition. As till date, he has not received the Parabas comments from the authority concerned. Prayer allowed. Further, the service be awaited, for service for the respond number 4 be awaited till next date of listing. List after 3 weeks, as on a date to be fixed. for the
And my lord, interim order to be continued.
interim was there.
Interim order.
What kind of interim was there, in fact?
My lord,
Status quo, my lord.
Oh,
Is
status
status-
quo was maintained.
Yes.
Acha, acha. Interim order granted to the present petitioner. Interim order granted dated 1/7/2025 be continued
1/6.
till next date of listing.
Yes.
Okay.
Oblak.
item number 4,
My lord, at number 4 also, I need some more time, my lord.
Lordship, here, Lordship. Item number 4, Lordship. Respondent service is still awaited of private
Which number,
respondent. Private respondent 5 served, Lordship.
5 is served.
Yes, and private respondent number 4 return back, usual course return back, but Lordship, AD card, Lordship. You
And
register
as
post
per the,
is awaited.
as per the usual process, what it says, it is served or not yet served? Not
Respondent
served, I think, no?
Yes, respondent
Mention
number 4,
address is
Lordship.
not-
Respondent number 4 return back, Lordship. Usual course return back, Lordship. Usual
No,
course
no,
return back.
as per the office note dated 17/10/25. Answer noticed in respect of respondent number so and so with a note that mention address is not come under the her territorial
Yes,
jurisdiction.
Lordship.
So we have to take
Yes,
a
Lordship.
fresh.
We already take the step through register post, Lordship. Register post, Lordship.
Ah.
This is for user course, Lordship. So, Lordship, I pray, Lordship, we have to wait, Lordship, for some time, Lordship.
We also take steps also because
They already taken
the
the step, Lordship.
jurisdiction under that.
Register post. we
No, no,
taken
register
step.
you have taken.
Yes,
But
Lordship.
the usual process,
Yes,
as
Lord.
usual process, you have taken steps, it's okay. But as per the note, it seems that it doesn't come under her territorial jurisdiction.
Instead
So
of Lordship, I pray, Lordship, I may be allowed to take dusty service on answer this to private respondent.
4 and 5,
No, Lordship. 3 and 4, Lordship. 5 is served, Lordship.
5 is served.
Yes, Lordship.
That is 3, 4 and 5 are all the private respondents?
Yes, Lordship, private respondent, Lordship. So I may be allowed to take dusty service, Lordship. On private respondent number 3 and 4, Lordship.
And that apart, Mr. Tagum, you are appearing for 1 and 2.
Yes, my lord.
You are Mr. G. Bam.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. G. Bam, the learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. T. Tagum, the learned standing counsel, education department, representing the respondent number 1 and 2. From the office note, it reveals that the service is completed on respond number 5. However, the service is still awaited for the respond number 3 and 4, and the 3 and 4 full stop. In that regard, Mr. Baum submitted that the petitioner may be allowed to take dusty service on the respond number 3 and 4. Prayer allowed. The service may be dusty service. The notice may be served to the respondent number 3 and 4 for the dusty mode, and the affidavit will also file to that regard. Full stop. Next para. Further, Mr. Tagum, the learned
Standing
counsel for the respondent number 1 and 2, submitted how many weeks you need
My lord,
here?
3 weeks.
3 weeks time to file their affidavit in opposition, as he has not received the paragraphs comments from the authority concerned. List accordingly.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 5,
My lord,
Yes.
my lord, I appear for respondent number 2 and 3 in this matter.
2 and 3.
My lord.
Ah.
My lord, we are Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Now, my lord, this is the first appearance that we are putting in. Today is the first time we are appearing, my lord, since after the notice has been served. Now, my lord, over here, it's a very simple proposition which needs to be decided upon prior to moving ahead in the matter. My lord, they have made us a party in a writ proceeding saying that they had done certain construction work directly or indirectly for us and for which they are staking a claim. Now, my lord, the whole writ petition is silent if there was any contract which was ever executed between them and us, and our stand is very firm that there was no privity of contract, my lord, which was there. That itself makes this writ petition not maintainable, my lord.
Okay. Okay,
So-
then you do one thing. You're basically raising the maintainability issue.
My lord.
That will be kept open for next. And apart from that, do you want to submit any your affidavit in opposition?
My lord,
Written
we will
form-
fi-
written
my
form?
lord, we'll file an affidavit of opposition raising the preliminary ground on the maintainability, my lord.
Yes.
If the issue gets decided in my favor, my lord, then I am not required to file any detailed affidavit. Else, I'll file a detailed affidavit post the issue of
Raising the
maintainability.
issue of maintainability.
My
Okay.
lord.
So you are representing respond number?
Two and
All
three,
the
my lord.
respondents.
No, my lord.
Two
My
and-
lord, 2 and 3. Respondent number 1 is not the necessary party also, my lord, over here. Union of India. We are a public sector, we are an autonomous body, public sector undertaking, my lord. And 4 and 5
And
are
two-
private respondent starter projects.
Okay. Yes, you are for the petitioner
No, Lordship, I'm for respondent number 1 for union.
or for union?
Yes, Lordship.
You have already appeared, na?
Yes, Lordship.
So as per the office note, 3 and 4 has already appeared.
My lord, 3 and 4 were
You are for 2 and 3. You are for 2 and 3,
2
na?
and 3, my lord.
Sure. Yes. 4 and 5 are different. Service to be still awaited.
As per last order, my lord, 8/9/2025, service was awaited upon me.
As we was awaited. None appears on call for the petitioner. Heard URMS,
Waigao appearing on behalf of K. Loya, CGC.
Waikau appearing on behalf of
K.
Mr.
Loya. Mr. K. Loya, CGC.
K.
Central
Loya,
Government Council.
CGSC for the respond number 1, and also heard Mr.
N. Khera, my
You are
lord.
Mr.
N. Khera. Khera.
And Kera appearing for the respond number 2 and 3. Appearing for the respond number 2 and 3. However, the service is still awaited for the respond number 4 and 5. It is next para. It is submitted by Mr. Khera, the counsel for the respond number 2 and 3, that the present petition is not maintainable as there is no privity of contract between the parties, and he submitted that he may be allowed to file his affidavit in opposition raising the issue of maintainability. Prayer allowed. Prayer allowed, let the matter be accordingly listed. After, you need how many weeks? 2 weeks or
My lord, 2 weeks.
2 weeks? List the matter accordingly after 2 weeks. Enabling the respondents to file their affidavit in opposition, if any. And the issue of maintainability will be kept open for the next date of listing. Okay then. It will be,
Highly
you can raise the maintainability issue on next date of listing.
My lord.
After 2 weeks, good.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Okay. Okay. Petitioners are not.
No, they have not appeared.
How is it? I'm leaving, that's why.